Hola, cordially welcome to practice English one step at a time. Here, the special thing is that in this lesson we learn how to use be verbs. This is the beginning of learning be verbs. Present be verbs are am, is, and are, and past be verbs are was, were, and future will be. Right? Yes, as the first step. Then this boy name is Ben. He is speaking. Hi friends, I am Ben. I am 12 years old. I am fairly white. I am a student. I am in grade 7. I am lean and tall. I am from Digama. I am hardworking. I am fond of flowers. I am interested in science and mathematics. I am a happy and honest boy. My ambition is going to medical college. Then he says in very simple sentences about himself. Then as beginners of learning English, then we also can follow these sentences as he says. These are common to anybody. Then anybody can say the name, say the age, and anybody can say the nature of a person, the color, and then the role of a person, then a student here, then and in class in grade 7, and the shape of the person, lean and tall, the village of the person, and attribution, his special attribution is hardworking person, and likes, fond of flowers, and interests in science and mathematics, and happy and honest boy, that is also attribution, his ambition, going to medical college or entering the medical college. These are very simple sentences. Then I made these made these sentences especially for beginners. Now write about yourself and follow the examples. Till then, goodbye.